Let's walk through how to add price ramps to quote line items, a way to define incremental price changes for recurring product offerings. In the CSM configurable workspace, we'll start from quotes in the list view. We'll start by selecting a quote, then navigate to the Line Items tab and select the checkbox for the relevant quote we want to configure. Then select Ramps. This opens the Price Ramps dialog, which displays the default ramp settings. The start date and end date define the duration of the quote. Next, we'll set the ramp type, either yearly, quarterly, or custom. The segments field updates automatically based on the ramp type when the term is changed. Finally, we'll enter an annual percentage increase to apply on a yearly basis. Once everything looks good, we'll select Create. The price ramps are generated based on our settings, and the price ramp details section displays each ramp segment along with its unit list price, net price, and cumulative net price. If we need to adjust anything after that, we can update the term, ramp type, or annual percentage increase values and select Update to apply the changes.